Hello everyone and welcome to the Crypto Lambo channel. Today we're looking at an awesome project, Tomi, right here on Tomi.com. We're going to get into what this is and this amazing ecosystem. But before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. So what has Tomi done is raised $40 million for growth and content acquisition. As we can see, this is a robust project. And their product is quite revolutionary. They're building private and anonymous infrastructure. And on top of that, they're going to have a privacy layer with the Ethereum blockchain that allow transactions not only to be anonymous, but to be private. And there's going to be so much more amazing announcements right here. As we can see, Tomi is a huge ecosystem, Web3, computers, decentralized cloud, TD, NS, browser, DAO, NFTs, and multi-chain wallet. And we can see right here the Web3 server that generates massive computing power. You need servers like this to do complex things like simulations, photorealistic rendering, real-time ray, accelerated AI, augmented applications, VR, and even blockchain GPU miners. And why is this so exciting? Well, part of this is a domain naming system. So by using Tomi's pioneers through a decentralized autonomous organization, it makes censorship resistant to allow free speech. That's a huge problem in the Web 2 space, and now we can find domains that we want, not only get those domains, but we don't have to worry about being censored. Then there's also the browser. Yes, it has its own browser. So not only can you register domain names and go to those websites, you can do it on their own browser. And this allows you to browse the World Wide Web and the Tomi Net in a secured and anonymous, powerful browser. Now, there's other browsers like Brave, but this is really, really exciting on what this can do. And you can see it right here. We can see also you can get rewards for using the browser as well. And if that's not enough, they have Tomi Pay. This is a multi-chain digital wallet for tokens, NFTs, dApps, and browsers. And also the pioneers have the governance community right here. And if you join, you can get NFTs and tokens right here. Now, there's a lot of questions people are going to have. And there's a lot of products they have. We're going to take a look at them. So what is Tomi? In a nutshell, it's a Web3 based company focused on providing decentralized services with assisting computing hardware. As we can see, the browser, the domain naming services, and all of the different products, which are so many to mention. Now, what is the MP1? It is a Web3 interconnected machine that can perform a variety of services, not limited to the mining of cryptocurrencies, decentralized applications, 3D printing and rendering, AI, ray tracing, and even more. And can you invest in Tomi? This is actually a private company whose operations are finance restricted with private funds and no purchase of Tomi's products. That includes the Pioneer membership. The Tomi tokens or mining computers should be viewed as an investment. And we can see what is the Tomi DAO, and that's part of the ecosystem intended to govern, develop, maintain, and reward the community, and it will receive a portion of the income as follows: up to 7% of Tomi's profits, up to 15% of the proceeds received by Tomi's pool, 51.5% of the income derived from the daily auction of the Pioneers membership, and up to 50% of the profit derived from the sale of the servers and licenses to provide computing power. Also, the funds in the Tomi DAO can be used for any purpose or anything, and they shall be resolved by the community according to governance and the voting structure. And some possible uses for the funds include the distribution of the funds to the community members, investments in startups or digital assets, and investment in marketing, and a lot more to come. They'll also control a development fund having an annual budget of $10 million in newly minted tokens as well. And you can see the roadmap here. There's a lot of things going on. It started back in 2021. And right now, we're recording Q1 of 2023 with the minting event, the launch of Tomi DAO, the launch of Tomi Art DAO, the launch of the Tomi Governance Token, and the Governance Token in centralized exchanges, also the introduction of the naming services, the bridge, the NFTs, the Tomi Supercomputer V2, and the project codenamed Gotham, as well as at the end of the year they'll have Tomi Pay, and the completing development of the Mesh Cloud Bridge and P2 nodes. And there's been featured in some huge names: Cointelegraph, Digital Journal, Entrepreneur, Forbes, and even Yahoo Finance, and partners such as Microsoft, Nvidia, Filecoin, Purebase, Reblond, CLS, and Changely, just to name a few. And you can check it out right here. There's a lot of different social medias you can follow them on: Discord, Twitter, TikTok. You can join their Telegram channel and see it on Reddit. You can also see the governance right here, the token, the products. There is so much to get into. So let's take a look at some products and some of their social media. So first, we can see the Tomi browser. You can access TomiNet. Check it out right here. The decentralized alternative internet is right here. You don't have to worry about big tech looking at what you're doing. It uses its own advanced decentralized domain name system as well. And the nice thing about that is it uses IPFS to allow unblockable websites access any website anywhere in the world. And that is awesome. We also have the net structure right here, how it works using the DAO, the browser, TDNS, and the nodes and TomiNet. And they take privacy seriously. This isn't something where they say, oh, it's private, and then they're looking at your data. It's safe, it's secure, and it's easy to use. So that is the Tomi browser. Very exciting and useful, and you can download the alpha right here. And we have Tomi Pay, which you can use on Google Play and the Apple App Store. And this is a great way to have an all-in-one crypto wallet. And the nice thing is you have all the blockchain supported. So if you want Ethereum, BSC, BTC, Cardano, Matic, Solana, Avalanche, it's all right here. And they have wallet security like never before. How is that? They offer an integrated non-custodial multi-chain wallet for storing digital assets or NFTs. And based on that, users are able to generate their own private keys and connect to various decentralized networks with access to the decentralized app. So you can store NFTs with a beautiful library right here. And you can order all your NFTs in a simple and easy to understand manner as well. So just buy, sell, send, and receive crypto in a few taps on all the networks you want. You can browse decentralized apps, earn with DeFi, and even play games. So there's a lot to really enjoy with Tomi Pay. And do not forget about the nodes. The MP1 mini supercomputer, we can see that it's super powerful. With great revenue comes great power. Or is it the other way around? With great power comes great revenue. Well, we can see the power of this computer right here, the computing power, the hash rate, the power, the weight, and even the efficiency and also the currency, as well as some very cool things about it. You can actually pre-order it right now if you're interested. That is the power of the MP1. And we can see Cointelegraph right here. There is an interesting article about blockchain, but if we come down here, we can see one network offering to complete anonymity is Tomi, a developer of Web3-based decentralized solutions and assisted computing hardware, led by 8 anonymous senior crypto veterans working with 72 developers. And this is very cool to see this right here on Cointelegraph. So take a look at this amazing article and learn more. And financial giant Forbes is talking about blockchain for projects to fix flaws and create a truly free internet. And if we come down here, we can see they mention Tomi, a Web3 company, believes it's a more efficient solution to help people in places with heavy censorship and surveillance gain equitable access to the information through its parallel internet dubbed TomiNet. And it's really exciting. You can see what's going on with Forbes as they mention Tomi as well. And you can find Tomi.com official right here. There's so many amazing products, so many things going on with this. That's a good idea to jump in the community, learn more about Tomi, and get to know this awesome community that is changing the way the world is working and the internet is working with all their amazing products. You can follow them on Twitter right here at Tomi Pioneers. 154K, 694 followers. Why? Because the internet just isn't working the way it should be. Censoring, it's causing issues, and we can see that. And we can also see all the important updates from Tomi right here. I think it's about time we freed the internet. I think it's about time the internet became something that was actually safe and controlled by a community through a DAO, just like Tomi is trying to do. But I'd love to know your opinion. So if you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. If you have questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.